Uh, Hi guys, I'm just going to explain how we can extract the Spring Tool shoot once it is downloaded from official site. Initially it will be in a jar format, so we need to extract it to use it. So you can see this is a 6486 compatible version, so we can download it directly from the official site. Once it is downloaded, we'll get the file like this. It's in jar format, so we need to extract this, right? So I'm just copying this file to some directory. I'm just placing it to drive STS. So we need to just pass simple command to extract this. Just type in command prompt cmd using the cmd command. So there we have the option to extract. So java-jar, we need to select the jar file. Okay, just enter. So it will extract the file into the same directory. So already the processing started. So you can see that here. Just wait for a few minutes to complete. Okay, we can see the extraction completed successfully. So it's processed this many files. Now we can go to this extracted folder and check it out. The Spring Tool should just double click. Okay, just wait for a few more minutes and let's load that. Okay, it's launched. So we can choose a workspace wherever we need. I'm just creating a new folder. Workspace. Okay, okay, that's it. It will launch the actual STS. This is the initial screen, so from here we can import export project, or we can create a new Spring starter project, whatever we need. This is a very simple demo to extract the STS from jar to runnable format. Yeah, thank you guys.